This charming Virginia farmhouse sits on 3 peaceful acres near the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway, offering a quiet country setting that feels private while remaining close to town, schools, shopping, medical services, and the many local attractions that make this area so enjoyable year-round. The home is filled with warmth, character, and beautiful custom woodwork that gives each room its own unique personality. The spacious open kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining and living area, creating an inviting space for gathering with family and friends. The custom primary suite serves as a peaceful retreat, complete with a beautifully appointed bathroom featuring heated floors for added comfort. Upstairs, the third bedroom provides a private space that's ideal for guests, family, or a quiet getaway within the home. The unfinished basement includes a wood stove that helps provide cozy warmth throughout the colder mountain months while offering additional room for storage or future possibilities. High-speed Gigabeam Internet also makes working from home both reliable and convenient. Step outside to the large open deck and enjoy the peaceful sounds of the cascading water feature as birds and local wildlife visit the surrounding landscape. The gently sloping 3-acre property provides room for gardens, animals, and countless homestead ideas, making it easy to enjoy everything that comes with a rural lifestyle while appreciating the beauty of the natural surroundings. From its handcrafted woodwork and classic farmhouse charm to its peaceful location near the Blue Ridge Parkway, this Virginia property offers a lifestyle centered on comfort, nature, and timeless country living.